This look is going to be changed completely. Keep watching and see what I do to change this look. Clean brush to blend the edges. I've now changed this one off camera. This is the one I just did. This is the first one, what it looks like. I thought I was recording this, but I wasn't. So now I'll record this side so you can see. This is what I started with. This is what I want to achieve. Same colors. I'm just going a little wider. And for the brow bone, I am taking this icy white right here and I'm going to put it over here. You see how this icy white is no longer white because they're all dual chromes. So it is actually blue because it shifts. In the pan, it looks white, this one right here. But once I put it on the eye, because it's a dual chrome, it shifts. You can see the shift now. I'm creating this fun eyeshadow look. I love playing with eyeshadows. I love playing with colors. So this is my fun time. I spend it with you. I love having fun. I hope you enjoy this look. If you have makeup and you love makeup, take it out playing it. If you're feeling down today, take your palette out and have a little bit of fun. Just playing some makeup just to change the mood that you are in. So pretty. I need something for the front now. Now for the front portion of my eyes, I'm going to use this yellow right there. It has a shift. I don't know what shift it has yet, but we will see together. It has a green shift. Oh, this is beautiful. This is so nice, this little chamomile eyeshadow. You just don't know what you're going to get. You have no clue what you are going to get. It is a surprise with each shade. And I'll bring it down right here. This is So cute. Can you see the shift? Finish the other one. I want you to see. And that's with the black. I added the black, remember? I did. This is with the black. The first look is with the white. Now this is the black base. Today's I am is I say yes to opportunity and abundance. I say yes to opportunity and abundance. This is my eye look. This one I put black eyeshadow underneath so it pops more. The first look that I had on, I had a white eyeshadow underneath. This one I took a black eyeshadow and put in the crease and up to the brow bone and add some additional colors. But the colors on the lids are the same exact colors. They just show up differently according to the base that you use. So this is my fun look for today. I just wanted to bump it up a little. I changed my blush. I changed my lip. My lip color is Colored Rain liquid lipstick. So shop around and see where you can still get this lip color. Love it. I want to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos, also sharing my videos, and also playing the playlist. I appreciate it very, very much. Thanks for all your support always. Until I see you and you see me, I'm asking you to say yes to abundance and opportunity. Say yes to abundance and opportunity. Always remember you first. Love yourself a little bit each and every day. Take care of your health because your health is your wealth. Your health is very important for your well-being. See you shortly. Bye.